Are you looking for the best portable wheelchair ramps in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best portable wheelchair ramps that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Clever 3 feet non-skid aluminum, 36 inches by 31 inches. Wheelchair loading ramp, folding lightweight portable ramp. Crosslinks is honored to give you this clever 3 feet aluminum ramp for power scooters and wheelchairs that offers conveniently safe entrance to porches, landings and curbs. This wheelchair ramps usually increase accessibility around your house and fold easily for portability and storage. Every ramp has a 31 inches wide operational grit covering surface for strong traction in all weather condition. It also has safety pins used for landing attachment, has a built-in carrying holder. Built with durable all-aluminum creation that permits for maximum portability and durability. This clever ramp usually weighs 16 pounds. And can withstand a weight of 600 pounds. Nearly anybody at any age can transport this ramp easily. Number 4. Easy Access, Trifold Ramp 10 Feet Advantage Series Folding Ramp. This wheelchair ramp has unique 3-fold plan, providing the length needed for scooters and wheelchairs to simply access steps, raised landings and vehicles. This ramp is planned to be carried and used as a set, or if anticipated, can be separated into 2-person sections, making this ramp even cooler to store, use and carry. By taking away 2 hinge pins, this ramp simply separates into 2 lightweight halves, every with its own transporting handle. The patent-pending hinge and durable with interlocking supports provides reduced pinch points and smoother operation. Number 3. Titan Ramps 7 feet featuring aluminum portable 84 inches multifold scooter wheelchair mobility ramp, MF7. This certain wheelchair ramp is suitably long and flexible. Its skid-resistant surface usually prevents sliding in all weather conditions. It is steel-clad by the side handrails that ensure you won't go over on the edge even when the wheelchair isn't aligned straight. The folding design of this ramp makes it ideal for both portability and storage, whereas the non-slip surface permits you to be uses in any climate conditions and making your loading in and out a stress-free job. Number 2. Titan Non-Skid 3 feet by 30 inches traction aluminum briefcase ramp folding and portable. The Titan wheelchair ramp is perfect for inclines that are one step. This inclines can be in a house or while you want to go in a store. This portable and lightweight wheelchair ramp are perfect for moving with it around. It can also be folded to appear like a small suitcase. It is a handy and very secure tool that accommodates scooters and even wheelchairs. Additionally, it is small in size. Nonetheless, the width of 30 inches usually makes it best for all kind of wheelchairs. Number 1. Titan Ramps 6 feet featuring aluminum multifold wheelchair scooter portable mobility ramp 72 inches, MF6. This portable ramp provides the perfect way to assist you get on the raised surfaces easily and quickly. It is perfect for unloading and loading onto curbs, porches, steps, landings or into mini vehicles. The ramp's folding design and aluminum construction makes it convenient for portability and storage. The soft nylon grip makes it simple to transport it any place you require. This multi-fold ramp is anticipated for utilization with a wheelchair or scooter and has a slip-resistant grasp surface that prevents sliding over or causing any accidents. Also, it's 2.5 inches angled lip with handle assist to make the ramp in place. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.